Good afternoon, children. So today we are going to do another experiment. So that is related to magnetism. See, if you are going to take a magnet, the center of the magnet power is 0. That we have to observe. That for that materials are required. For this, a sheet of paper, a bore magnet, and iron filings. What we have to do? We have to take iron filings and you have to spread it on a sheet of paper. You have to take iron filings and you have to spread it on a sheet of paper like this. Take a bar magnet, just you have to keep it, see here, just slowly you have to drop it, and take it out. You can see. See now, this is, you can see here, at the center of the magnet, the iron filings are not attracted. Only ends of the magnet, this end and this end, ends of the magnet, the iron filings are attracted. With this, we can easily understand, at the center of the magnet, the power is 0. The center of the magnet we are going to call it as a null point, center of this portion. This portion is there, this portion, this we are going to call it. Only at the end of the magnet, power is there. That's why a maximum iron filings are attracted. We will do one more experiment related to this, the same method. Now, ends of the magnet, the power is more. How to check it? That I will show you. The same procedure. Take sheet of paper, iron filings, spread the iron filings, spread it on a sheet of paper, Take one end of the magnet, it's gone, moving like this. You can observe, please observe how it is attracting. See how it is attracting? This shows at the end of the magnet, the power is more. So we can repeat the experiment for another end also. We can repeat the experiment. Just you have to spread it, a sheet of paper. And another end, you can observe, see here. These two experiments are going to show the end of the magnet power is more, at the center of the magnet power is 0. That we can easily understand with this experiment. Thank you, children.